Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1977 Chevrolet Monza Mirage stands as a fascinating chapter in automotive history, blending style, performance, and a touch of the unexpected. This compact car, introduced by Chevrolet in the mid-1970s, was part of a generation that sought to redefine what American cars could be. With its sleek lines and sporty design, the Monza promised not just a means of transportation, but a statement of individuality and flair. One of the standout features of the 1977 Monza Mirage was its eye-catching appearance. It sported a unique exterior package that included a distinctive front grille, special striping, and a sporty spoiler. The Mirage was designed to appeal to younger buyers, those who craved something more than just a standard sedan. It was marketed as a personal luxury vehicle, a term that was all the rage at the time, suggesting it was as much about personal expression as it was about practicality. Under the hood, the Monza offered various engine options, catering to a range of driving preferences. Buyers could choose from a fuel-efficient four-cylinder engine or opt for a more robust V8 option. This versatility made the Monza appealing to a wide audience, from those looking for economical commuting solutions to performance enthusiasts wanting a little extra power. The car's lightweight design and rear-wheel drive configuration contributed to its nimble handling, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. The interior of the Mirage was equally inviting. It featured a driver-centric cockpit with comfortable seating and a layout that prioritized accessibility. Chevrolet ensured that the Monza provided a pleasant driving experience, integrating modern conveniences like air conditioning and an upgraded sound system. The overall design aimed to create an inviting space that reflected both the driver's personality and the era's desire for comfort and style in compact cars. However, the Monza Mirage wasn't just about looks and comfort. It also carried a certain cultural significance. The late 1970s were a transformative time in America, marked by economic challenges and a shift in consumer attitudes towards automobiles. Gasoline shortages had consumers clamoring for more fuel-efficient options, and the Monza positioned itself as a practical yet stylish answer to that demand. It appealed to a generation that wanted to break free from the larger, gas-guzzling vehicles of previous decades. Despite its appeal, the Monza Mirage faced stiff competition from other manufacturers who were also eager to capture the compact car market. Brands like Ford and Honda were gaining traction, introducing innovative designs and technology. Nonetheless, the Monza carved out a dedicated following, with enthusiasts praising its sporty aesthetics and capable performance. Today, the 1977 Chevrolet Monza Mirage holds a nostalgic place in the hearts of car lovers and collectors alike. Its unique blend of style, performance, and historical context makes it a compelling subject of study. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or simply interested in the evolution of automotive design, the Monza Mirage serves as an example of how manufacturers adapted to shifting consumer needs while still attempting to infuse personality into their vehicles. Reflecting on the Monza Mirage, it's clear that this car was more than just a means of getting from A to B. It represented a moment in time when American drivers were looking for something different, something that spoke to their individuality and desires. The Monza Mirage may not have achieved the legendary status of some of its contemporaries, but its legacy continues to inspire enthusiasts and reminds us of the ever-changing landscape of the automotive industry.